Good morning. This is Todd Horwitz from Bubba's Bottom Line, coming to you from the floor of the CME Group in Chicago. And you know, we're in the middle of earnings season here, and of course, earnings have been boxcars. The numbers have been very, very good, and we can call them fabulous if you want to call them just fabulous. But in the meantime, okay, these numbers that we're building are being built on contraction and not on addition. And I think this is something that we're missing the point on as to what is going on with the economy. This shows you the true separation between Wall Street and Main Street, because you've got good earnings, but the earnings are built on the backs of middle-class workers that were laid off and are not working, because what you're seeing with these companies is they're cutting back on help, they're cutting back on expenses, they're cutting back on spending, they're cutting back on research, but they're taking the money, which is no problem. That's what they're supposed to do. But at the end of the day, okay, we need to see some true growth. Without it, the markets are not going to function, and we're not going to be able to sustain this particular level in which we're rising until we get the average person back to work and we get a true payroll where tax receipts are not at lows, but tax receipts are coming in, because that means more people are working, more people are making more money. So at the end of the day, I know the earnings are good, but we do need to see some spending, which means we need to bring the jobs back into America, which means we need to kind of follow the plans and bring work back here and allow people to go back and make a fair salary. That's the way I see it. This is Todd Bubba Horwitz from Bubba's Bottom Line, coming to you from the floor of the CME Group in Chicago.